Hello children. Today we are going to see new chapter addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. First we will see addition. Show 234 and 163 with the help of sheet, strips and slips. Sheet is 100 sheet. Strips are 10 strip. Slips are 1 slip. Okay. We call it as sheet. This one as strips and this one as slips. Okay. Next see here. 234 and 163. 200 means 200 sheets, 3 10 strips and 4 ones slip. Same as see here. This is 163. 100 sheet, 6 tens strips and 3 ones slips. Okay. Now you have 234 and 163. To add, put the ones together, the tens together and the hundreds together. Always you have to put the place values correctly. Okay, 100 should be in hundreds place, 10 should be in tens place and 1 should be in ones place. Okay, see here 200s, here 100. So 200s, 100 you are putting. Then 3 tens and here 6 tens. So 3 tens and 6 tens. 4 ones, 3 ones. 4 ones here and 3 ones here. Always in addition you have to calculate from ones place. Okay, always you have to calculate from ones place. Then tens place, then only hundreds place you have to calculate. First ones place if you calculate 4 in your mind, 3 on your finger if you keep, 4 plus 3 will be 7. Then tens place, 3 plus 6 will be 9 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So what will be the answer? For 200, 200 3 tens 4 ones plus 100 6 tens 3 ones, what will be the answer? 300s 9 tens and 7 ones is nothing but 397. Okay, always put the values in the correct place and add from ones place. Okay, you have to put the values in the correct place. Hundreds means hundreds you have to place, you have to put the values in hundreds place only. Tens you have to put together and ones you have to put together and add from ones place. We will see example sum now. The short way to add is like this. Step 1. See here. 100 tens ones. 234 and 163. With strips we have seen. Okay. With sheets and strips and slips we have seen. Now we will add it in short way. 100 tens ones. 234, 163. Okay. Step 1. Add the ones first. 4 and 3 you have to add first. Always add ones place first. So if you add 4 plus 3, answer will be 7. Next step. Add the tens. 3 plus 6. See here. Tens place you have to add next. 3 plus 6 will be 9. So you have to write in the tens column. Next. Third step. Add the hundreds place. Hundreds place, what is the value? 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So write the value in the hundreds place. Remember in the mind, first you have to calculate ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. Okay. Now we will see some example sums in exercise. Okay. See here. Ones place first you have to calculate. So what will be the value? See here 1 plus 7. How much is 1 plus 7? 1 in your mind, 7 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8 here. Next, ones place we have calculated. Next tens place. 2 in your mind, 6 on your finger. What will be the answer? 2 in your mind, 6 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8 here. Okay. 2 plus 6 will be 8. 4 plus 3. 4 in your mind, 3 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 is the answer. What is the value now? 788. If you add 421 plus 367, the value will be 488. Okay. the value will be 788. The value will be 788. The same way we will add this also. 1 plus 3 will be, 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, tens place we will add 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So we will write 8 in the tens place. If you are adding tens value, you have to write in the tens place. Next, we will add hundreds place. 6 plus 2 will be 8. So the value of 621 plus 263 is 884. 884. Now, next sum. Now we have to add, see, 530 plus 427. Ones place you have to add. 0 plus 7 is 7. Ones place 7 is the answer. Next, tens place. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, answer is here 5. Next, 5 plus 4 is 9 in hundreds place. In hundreds place, 9. Okay. So, the answer for 530 plus 427 is 957. Okay, 957. Same way we will add this also. See here. 6, ones place, what is the number? 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is nothing but 6. Next, tens place. 2 plus 5 is, how much 2 plus 5 is? 7. 2 plus 5 is, 2 plus 5 is, how much? 7. Next, 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8 in hundreds place. So, answer is 876. 876. 526 plus 350. The value will be 876. 876. Okay. Now you see, common mistakes, what you will do is, do not write as, see here, if 24 they have given and 233 they have given, where you have to write this 24, like this you have to write. 24 is tens place and ones place. So you have to write like this. Always put the place values, hundreds, tens and ones, and put the numbers and write. Okay. Don't do this mistake. Common mistakes they do is, like they will put this 2 and 4 in first place, like hundreds place and tens place. You should not do that. Tens place, ones place should be placed correctly. See here, do not write as 503 plus 62. How they have written like this, you should not write. 62, where 62 should come? Like this. It should come in this. 62 is nothing but 6 tens and 2 ones. So you have to write in tens place and ones place. Always when you add, if they have given the number, write this place values, hundreds, tens, ones, and write the numbers and add, so that it will be easy for you and no mistakes will happen. Next, 3-digit addition with regrouping of ones. With regrouping of ones. With regrouping of ones. See here, 237 and 148 we have. 237 and 148 we have. See here, look at the 2 number cards. 2 number cards are here. Take out 100 sheets, 10 strips and 1 slips to show these numbers. So you are taking, see here, 100 sheets, 10 slips and 10 strips and 1 slips you are taking. Add the 1 slips, 7 slip and 8 slip. Now you are adding 7 and 8. If you add 7 and 8, what will be the answer? 15. 15 is the answer. So what you will do? 15, how you will place it? 15, in ones place you have to write 5. You have to place 5 slips and 1 tens will go to tens place. Okay. Of the 15 1 slips, put together 10 1 slip and make 1 10 slips. Okay. This 10 1 slips, we are going to put it as 1 10 strips. Okay. So 15 ones equal to 1 tens and 5 ones. This one you remember. 15 ones is nothing but 1 tens and 5 ones. There are 5 slips remaining. So add the 10 strips now. 3 tens plus 4 tens plus 1 tens equal to 8 tens. Now add the 100 sheets. We have to add the 100 sheets. 200s plus 100 equal to 300. So you have now 237 plus 148 equal to 385. So answer is like this. We are using this sheets and we are representing here. Now we will see example sum in short way. Okay. See now. 337 plus 148 can be done in the short way like this. How you are writing 237 plus 148? Okay. First step, what we have to do? Always calculate ones place first. Always calculate ones place first. Always calculate ones place first. So 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? If you add 7 plus 8, 15 will be the answer. 15 will be the answer. 1, 5, 15. 15 ones is nothing but 1 tens and 5 ones. 15 ones is nothing but 1 tens and 5 ones. So we have to write 5 ones in ones column and 1 tens in the tens column. Okay, up you have to carry over to the tens column. 1 tens you have to carry over to the tens column. 7 plus 8 if you add, answer will be 15. In 15, 1 is tens and 5 is ones. 1 is tens and 5 is ones. So you will write this 5 ones in ones column and 1 tens in tens column. So you are carrying 1 in tens column. Now second step, what you have to add? You have to add tens column. We have to add tens column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So answer is 8. So you have to write in tens column. Next, after tens column, you have to add hundreds column. 2 plus 1 is add the hundreds. So 2 hundreds plus 100 equal to 300s. So answer is 300s. You have to write in the 100 column. Okay. In the place of hundreds, you have to write it. So when you add, always add from the ones place, then you have to add tens place, and then only you have to add hundreds place. Okay. See here, if you add ones place, 15 came. 15 is nothing but 1 tens and 5 ones. So you are writing ones, 5 ones in the ones column and 1 tens in the tens column. You are carrying over to the tens column 1. Okay. You have to remember that and you can add it. It is very easy. Like first ones place you have to add, then tens place and hundreds place you have to add. The answer for 237 plus 148 is equal to 385. So we will do some sums. See now. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 6 in your mind, 7 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 13. In 1, 3, 13. In 1, 3, 13. 1 is 1 tens. 1, 3, 13 has, see here. 1, 3, 13 is equal to 1 tens and 3 ones. So how you will write 1 tens and 3 ones? 3 ones. What is there in ones column? What is there in ones column? 3 is there. So you have to write 3 in ones column. Okay, 3 in ones column. What is there in tens? 1 ten. So you are carrying over 1 here. So you have to carry over 1 in tens column. Now you add 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer is 7 in tens column. Okay. Next, 5 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7 again. Okay. So answer for 546 plus 227 is 773. See here, when you add ones column, what was the answer? 13 was the answer. 6 plus 7 is 13. So it is nothing but 1 tens and 3 ones. Ones, what is in ones place? 3 is there. So you have to write 3 in ones place. What is in tens place? 1 is there. So you have to carry over to tens place. Okay. Next sum. Same like this, we will do the next sum. Okay. See, 8 plus 3. First, you have to add always ones place. Okay, always add ones place. 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. So, in 11, 1 ones and 1 tens. So, you are writing 1 tens in the tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So, you will write 7 here. Okay. Next, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, you will write 5 here. So, 318 plus 253 is nothing but 571. Next, ones column you have to add first. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is nothing but 13. So, 1, 3, 13. In 1, 3, 13, 3 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. No, so you are carrying over 1 here. So, 1 plus 0 is 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 3 is 4. So, you will write 4 here. Okay. Next, 7 plus 1 is 8. So, answer for 709 plus 134 is 843. Okay, next sum. Ones place. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12. So, in 12, 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So, you are writing there. You are carrying over 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So, here in tens place, 8 will be the answer. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, when you add 217 plus 365, answer will be 582. Okay. I hope you all understood how to add 3-digit number. So, we will see in the next session with different addition sums. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.